In any manufacturing plant, there's automation and lots of moving parts in a confined space. Workstations must be kept clean for the safety and well-being of your workers and to keep the production lines churning with no costly interruptions. Manufacturers can't afford to be without their equipment. Not for a day, not for a shift, not even for an hour. That's why a strong and powerful pressure washer is essential for the safe operation of any manufacturing environment. Hotsy pressure washers clean and sanitize the most challenging surfaces. Using hot water that reaches up to 210 degrees, a Hotsy removes grit and grime from cracks and crevices, eliminating dirt and contaminants in those hard-to-reach places. Our pressure washers are built to last, offer incredible return on investment, and are backed by the best warranty in the industry. They clean in less time, save you valuable labor costs, and pay for themselves by eliminating problems before they occur. Of course, safety is a priority in every business. No one wants their staff working in an unsafe environment. Hotsy pressure washers help minimize risk while maximizing product quality and productivity. A clean and well-maintained machine will reduce downtime, increase production, and improve your bottom line. No matter what your toughest cleaning challenge is, Hotsy has over 120 models of industrial-grade pressure washers to protect your equipment investment. To learn how a Hotsy can solve your plant's toughest cleaning problems, visit our website to find your local dealer. You'll see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy.